In this video, I'm going to show you how to make product URL shorter. So in here, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Shopify account in admin view, what we're going to do is we're going to simply navigate on the menu navigation on the left sidebar of the screen and click products. When you click on products, this will then direct us to the complete list of products that are currently in sale inside our business in different categories. So in here, simply select the product that you would like to shorten the URL to. So let's say that we're going to use short sleeve t-shirt in here. We simply click this. And when you click this will then direct us to the form wherein the user will be allowed to make some changes and modification to that specific product. So to shorten the URL of this product, we simply scroll down in here. And upon scrolling down on the bottom section, you can see search engine listing. And this is the current link or URL that we have for this product. We simply click the edit icon in here, which is represented by a pen icon. And as you can see, we have in here URL handle. Now to shorten this, the only thing that we can edit is the title or name of the product. Since this is a short sleeve t-shirt, we might just input t-shirt in here. And after that, we simply click save. Now we have successfully shortened the product URL for this item. And that's about it. That's how to make product URL shorter in Shopify. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.